Dear student, welcome. Good morning, all of you. Exercise 4.2. First question. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. By factorization, that is first part, second part you can do. See the third part. First of all, we will multiply this one. This one and this one. So under root 2 multiply 7 under root 2 is equal to, that will be, that's 7 under root 2, not that is a 5 under root 2. 5 under root 2 is equal to, that will be 10. Under root 2 multiply under root 2, 2, then 2 5 ja 10. So that is 10. So we will make the factor of 10. 2 5 ja, 5 1 ja. So need to add, and then comes 7. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now, under root 2 x square plus 5x plus 2x. Again we have not written here bracket because that is a plus. Plus 5 under root 2 is equal to 0. So here is the common, you see that x. So under root 2x plus 5, or here will come common under root 2, because under root 2 is here, or we need to 5 here. So that under root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now both brackets are same. Under root 2x plus 5, and then this one is come inside the bracket is equal to 0. So under root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So under root 2x is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to 5 upon under root 2. And then for second, x plus under root 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus under root 2. So these are the two roots of this equation. And then fourth part you can do. But see that 2x square minus x plus 1 upon 8 is equal to 0. The LCM of these three are 8. So 8 2 ja 16x square minus 8 1 ja 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. So that will be 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 8 0 ja 0. Now first of all we will multiply this one and this one, so that will become 16, and then we need to come that one 8 by addition of both factor. 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja. Here is the 4 factor, so that we can take like this, that is a 4 4, 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 8. So 16 x square minus 4x plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So that will be 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0 by the bracket plus minus 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 plus minus. So 4x is common, so that will become 4x square minus 1. That here is not common, so if there is no common then 1 will be common. 4x minus 1. This minus has convert this sign here, and then 4x minus 1 again is common, and then outside the bracket is these things, so that will become inside the bracket. Now so 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 4x is equal to 1, so x is equal to 1 upon 4. This is the first equation or first root, and then second root is again same, 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Same thing is coming, so x is equal to 1 upon 4. This is the second root. Fifth question, similarly you will be do 16 minus 8x plus 1 is there, and here is given 100x square minus 20 plus 1. Now the word problems, and then second question, solve the problem given in example 1. So in example 1 given the question, similarly you will be do. by splitting the middle term. And then third question is find the two number whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. So first number is equal to x, second number is equal to that sum is 27, so x minus 27 minus x. So according to question, product is equal to x multiply 27 minus x, that will be, and then product is given there. What the product is? 182 is equal to 27x minus x square, and then these things will come this side, so that will be x square minus 20x 7x plus 182. When you will be factorize of this equation, then your answer will come. First answer will x, second answer will come 27 minus x. Then fourth question, find two consecutive positive integer sum of whose square is 365. Then fourth question, solution. Let first consecutive positive integer is equal to x, second consecutive positive integer is equal to that x plus 1. You know that just after a number like this, first number is 10, then second number will be 11. According to question, whose square means like this, square is equal to, that is a 365. So x square plus 1 square plus 2x 365 by the identity a plus b whole square. This has come. So that is a 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is equal to 0. Now that will be 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. 2 will be common, so x square plus x minus 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 2 2 ja. So that will be x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. This will go this side, so that will be 0. By middle term splitting, you can solve very easily. And then fifth question is also not difficult. Fifth question, that the altitude of right angle triangle 7 centimeter less than the base. The base is equal to x. Let base is equal to x and altitude is equal to x minus that less is 7, and then hypotenuse is h, means hypotenuse is 13. So we know that p square plus b square is equal to h square. The Pythagoras theorem, that will be perpendicular, x minus 7 whole square plus base is x square is equal to 13 square. So that will be x square plus 7 square minus 7 to the 14x plus x square is equal to 169. So that will be 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. So 2x square minus 14x minus, that will be 9 less 9 0, 6 less 4 2, that 120, and then 2 can be take the common, so x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. So x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0 by the cross. When you will be, when this 2 you will be write like this, then that will be 0, and then by solution that will be answer. Sixth question. A cottage industry produce a certain number of poetry article in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of article produced on the day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of article produced and the cost of each article. Okay, let number of article, that number of article is equal to x and cost is equal to, that will be cost of each article, cost of each article is equal to, that will be 3 more and twice, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. Now according to question, the number of article multiply each article cost, the product of number of article and this one, that will be 90. So 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. So that factor will be 90, 2 45 ja, 3 15 ja, 3 5 ja, 5 1 ja, and then 2 will be also come. By subtraction that will become 2. So how can take 2 to the 4th here 12 and 3 5 ja 15, and then subtraction that will become 3. Yes, write it. So 2x square plus that what is there, 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now that will be common in these two, that is x. So 2x plus 15 will come here, and then minus here will become 4. No, 6 will come. 6. So 6 2 ja, and then plus 15 6 ja 90. 15 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 15, and then that is equal to. So x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. And then we can't solve this one because this will come in minus, or number of article can't be in minus. That is a minus. So that will be not an answer. So this is the actual answer. So then number of article is equal to x is equal to 6, and cost of each article is equal to 2x plus 3, then 2 into 6 plus 3, that will be 6 to your 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. Or you can check your answer also. 15 6 ja 90, 15 6 ja 90, that will be the answer. Okay.